the new bronze bushes pushed into the planetary gears, and we're going to put this in the chuck. I've reversed the jaws, and we're going to have enough room to bore them out to size, which is 38 millimeters, so probably just a little bit higher than that. That's right. Yeah, last time I had these in here, they ran pretty good actually. They ran nice and true. Oh, excuse me. Right, into gear. You can see that's running pretty true. I've got the boring bar in, lined up. So I'll take a cut, see what that looks like. This is this particular one is a tool master. As you can see, it's S160-STFCR11. Most of these, some of these will have a, you know, amount of millimeters printed on the side. Usually you don't want to exceed, in terms of length sticking out from your tool post, it's usually 2 to 3 times the diameter of your boring bar. Otherwise you start to get problems like we saw before, flexing, that sort of thing. So now this is 16 mil diameter, 16 by 3, you know, is 32. I'm going to push it out a lot more than that. We've got to go about 90. We're just going to see how that goes. It may work, it may not. I might have to take a different approach. In fact, you'll be surprised how well that's going to go. I'll just take a light cut first up. We'll go inside and touch. Take a millimetre depth of cut and see what happens. Oh yeah, that's working fine. I'll up the feed. And there we go, that's cutting nicely. It's going to give us a good finish. It's a rough finish at the moment until I get it to size, which I'll do that now. And it's just going to be a number of cuts. Okay, 30.7. So we've got we'll round that off to 31. And then I'll reset and go out to our finished diameter of 38 or 38.1. I'll go, allow for a little bit of clearance. So I'll keep recording and I'll just speed it up and you'll see everything happening. Right, I've repositioned the camera. I'm just about to take the final cut. I've done a couple of little passes to make sure that we get our final size, and I've also slowed down the feed. Right, we're through all the way to the other end. We've got a bit of clearance there. And we've got a burr on the backside. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to bring the tool through a little bit. And that burr there that you can see, right, I've got the light in there, and that burr you can see at the back there. You can just see that the cutting tool is, and I'll just back it back so that I can just chamfer that edge a little bit and take the burr off. It's been a while since I've done this, so we'll see how it goes. Right, so since we've been away, I'll put a new tip in the turning tool because the other one was starting to get a bit blunt. I've taken a finishing cut, we've got a nice finish in there and a nice little test fit. It's really good, really nice fit. There'll be lubrication in there, of course, just to give you a comparison to the old one. This is what the old one looked like, the amount of clearance that it had. Now, all things need clearance, but yeah, that's just nice. I'm really happy with that. So I've got one more to do. That won't be done. It's just going to be exactly the same as what you've seen here. So I'll finish this off and say thank you very much. Let's go wide angle, reposition. Righto. Just like to say thank you very much for watching. For as long as you have, if you watched it all the way through, I really appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up and a like, all that sort of thing. You don't have to subscribe, but if you do, you keep up to date with what's going on. I usually try and post a video once a week and do a live show on a Thursday night, my time here in Australia. So if you'd like to come and join us, watch it live, have a chat, see what we're up to, that sort of thing, you're most welcome to come along. Thanks again, have a good one, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.